The drive to a cold data center at 2 in the morning is a special kind of misery that every system administrator knows too well. You are exhausted. The server is completely unresponsive. No matter how many times you try to log in remotely, you get nothing but a timed-out connection. The operating system has completely crashed. Usually, your only choice is to physically stand in front of that machine with a dusty old monitor and a keyboard. But this is exactly where high-end remote management hardware changes the game. We are looking at two devices that promise to give you total control of your hardware from anywhere on the planet. They plug into the video and input ports of your server and stream everything directly to your web browser. It is like being there in person. You can see the BIOS. You can fix boot errors. You can even wipe the drive and install a fresh operating system from scratch without leaving your house. One of these units costs around $250. The other jumps up to nearly $400. That is a massive price gap for gadgets that seem to do the same thing on the surface. But the difference is all about the user experience. The higher priced option is built for the professional who needs things to just work. It is a polished plug-and-play solution with a beautiful interface. You get real email support and a warranty that can stretch out for 5 years. That is a huge deal if you are managing a server for a client or a small business. You need that level of accountability. However, you should know that the advanced software features require a license renewal eventually to keep everything updated. On the other side, we have the open source champion. This device is a dream for the power user who loves to tweak every single setting. It is not always as pretty, and you might find yourself editing configuration files in a terminal, but the capabilities are unmatched for the price. The biggest win here is the ability to wire the device directly into the motherboard of your server. This gives you physical power control. If your server is totally locked up, you can trigger a hard reset remotely. You can even scale it up to manage 20 different machines from one single hub. Best of all, the software is free forever. There are no licenses and no hidden fees to worry about. It really depends on what you value more for your specific setup. Do you want the refined, supported experience for a professional environment? Or do you want the raw, customizable power of an open-source tool for your own home lab? Both will save you that miserable late-night drive to the server room. One just does it with a bit more polish, while the other offers deeper control for those willing to get their hands dirty. It is about choosing the right tool for the job at hand. For the home lab enthusiast, that physical power control is a clear winner. For the office, the support and warranty make the premium price worth every penny. It is all about how much your time and peace of mind are worth when the screen goes black. This hardware effectively ends the need for a physical crash card. You get the same level of access you would have if you were sitting on the floor of the server room. The peace of mind alone is worth the investment. Being able to toggle the power or check a boot loop from your phone is the ultimate convenience. You just have to decide if you want the DIY spirit or the corporate-ready reliability. Either way, the days of being tethered to a physical machine are officially over.